Good morning, class family. It's a wonderful Wednesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you are a team and a class family. Follow on with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with today's date. January 26th, 2022. Dear class family, today is Wednesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will tell the difference between fiction and nonfiction books. Next, we will review the sort. Then we will review CBC words with app, ox, op, at, awk, ack, and am. Last, we will write sentences with a capital letter and finger spaces. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, let's talk about what we're doing this morning during language arts. Read the date with me again together. Ready? January 26th, 2022. After our greeting, dear class family, look at the first telling sentence. Read it in your head. Do you remember what day of the week we're on today? It starts with a W like W and W. Do you know what it is? I heard some of you say it. Let's go ahead and read this sentence again together. Today is Wednesday. It is Wednesday, and it's a wonderful Wednesday learning together in kindergarten. Let's look at our next sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, you know that's true, class family. We learn a lot at school every day to pump our brains with knowledge. That's what students do. They go to school and they learn in different subjects from many different teachers. You're going to be doing that for many years. That's what students do. Let's look at the next sentence to see what we're doing this morning. First, we will tell the difference between fiction and nonfiction books. All right, so we're going to go back to talking about fiction and nonfiction books. You're doing such an amazing job with identifying those books and being able to share how you know it's fiction or nonfiction. Let's review something before we look at the next sentence. So remember, fiction books are made up stories. Fiction is not real. So if it's a book that's fiction, it's going to have illustrations, characters, setting, and it's a pretend story. It's make-believe. If it's make-believe, then it's fiction. Now, we also remember nonfiction books are very different than fiction books because nonfiction texts teach, inform, and explain real things. So you can learn real facts and information in nonfiction text. And most oftentimes you'll see photographs in nonfiction text too. And that can tell your brain, this book is probably nonfiction. I see information in this that explains real things. Next, we will review the sort. So we'll review the sort from yesterday. We're going to look back at some books to see, which ones are fiction, which ones are nonfiction. And I want you to share your reason why, how you know that. Okay, that's what good readers do, and that's what good learners do. They share their reasons why. Okay, then we will review CVC words with app, ox, op, at, awk, ack, and am. Okay, so we have some word families we're going to be working with, a whole bunch of them, and we're going to be switching out that initial sound. It's the sound at the beginning of the word. So here, class family, I see the end, app. So we'll have to think, what could we put at the beginning to make a word with app? Maybe like app, cap. We could put a sound at the beginning and make a word there. We're going to be making words with AP, app, O, ox, ox, O, O-O-X, ox. We have op with OP, AT at OCK OC, ACK ACK, and AM. Let's go ahead now and check out what we're going to be doing later during writing workshop. Last, we will write sentences with a capital letter and finger spaces. Love, Miss Joyner. Okay, so we're going to be reviewing that and working on that a lot during writing workshop. And so you're going to be looking back at your all about books and focusing and really making those complete sentences. We're going to start with a capital letter and we're going to tell a complete thought and end with a punctuation mark. We're also going to use resources like our ABC alphabet chart with some different letters and sounds and words and our fast words list. And I've noticed we have somebody that's visiting over here. You don't see her, but Cookie's over here. Cookie, come over here and say hello. I may get her in just a moment. Let's go ahead and look at the question real quick. Remember, you're going to be a great communicator all day long. Remember to speak clearly, and you are going to do that so others can understand you. You're going to listen and ask questions and write to share your ideas. Let's look at today's question that we're going to answer later on and practice communicating in our T-chart with yes or no answers. Look at the picture. Do you see it? Here's the question. Do you like Hershey's chocolate bars? Well, do you? Think about what your answer is and get ready to share yes or no and what your reason is and practice being a great communicator. Do you like Hershey's chocolate bars? And I notice I have somebody over here that is playing. Cookie, what are you doing? Let's see. Cookie, there's Cookie Monster. Cookie, Cookie Cat. Come here, Cookie. There's Cookie, everybody. Everyone see Cookie? All right, let's have a great day.